Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best way how to automate WhatsApp messaging with Tasker on your Android device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And before we start, I want to show you my website. It's called MationX.com, and you can basically order any custom solution from me. I will build the automation for your phone on in Tasker, either in Tasker on your device, or I also offer a server solution where I create the automation on my side and it runs 24/7, and you can basically just you will pay a monthly fee for the maintenance, etc. So yeah, that's about it. If you're interested in me building the automation for you, just go ahead and visit this website, please. Now let's move to our phone, and I will open Tasker and create a new task. Now what will we use is basically we will open an URL, and because WhatsApp offers this option where we open a URL with a specific number, and even we can set a specific text, and it will open the prompt in the application basically, and it will open the link in the application, and then we can click the send button and it will basically finish the whole process. So let me show you how it works in reality. We will use the browse URL action, and we're just gonna put a normal start of the link. Now va.me/ and now your phone number. So I will copy here my phone number from MationX. If you have any questions or anything, just contact me on this number. I will delete the spaces, and like this we can test it out. I will just save it by clicking the stick icon, and I will try to run it. As you can see, it found the exact profile and I'm in the chat, but it didn't quite fill in any message because we also didn't set anything. So let's go to Tasker again. Now what I recommend to do is set a variable with, for example, name text, and here you can fill out some text. So hello MationX, I have a question. It doesn't make any sense, but it doesn't matter. And yep, I will put this in the first position. Now if we need to put this text in the URL, but for us to put this text in the URL we need to encode it into a URL form basically. So we will search for variable convert. It's a good action, and here we will put the name, and we will search for URL encode. Yeah, and we will store the result in text URL, for example. Now when we have this, it basically converts the commas and spaces to a correct format for the browser. So now what you want to do is go into this URL and put a question mark, text equals, and now you're just gonna paste that value, that variable you created earlier, text URL, and when we run this now, it should also fill out the text. Oh, I made a mistake here. There's no test, but text. Let's see. And it works perfectly. As you can see, we have the text filled out, and we just need to click this send button for it to fully functionally work. So I'm just gonna go to Tasker again. And now for us to click this send button, we will need to create another action with the plugin auto input. I created a tutorial for auto input on this channel, so it's a little bit older. You can find it on the channel and see if it works for you. There's a setup guide, etc. I will probably create a new tutorial soon, so if you're seeing this video a bit later, you're just gonna see probably a new tutorial for auto input. So now we're gonna click on actions to perform. I see that I need to allow this permission to auto input. Now actions to perform, we will need help, and we will click and find the element, just like that. I will open the chat, and now I will just move this position to the button. I will click this blue box, I could say. I will click element, and as you can see, this is the first result. Click on the first result, ID, and first found, and no, and no. Okay, this should be done. Let's see if it sends the message. Yeah, send the message exactly as how you wanted. So it just came on my phone, and so that means we have this functional. So there's also a possibility you may want to escape from the app after sending the message, which is also possible with auto input. So you're just gonna open auto input here again, click the pencil button, and yes, you're gonna need help, and add another action. We don't want to perform the existing actions, and we want to back out of the app. Auto input has this option, so no, we do not want to do it now, and do not want to do more actions. When we save it now, it should send the message and escape the app, basically. Send the message, and it's escaping the app. It escaped the app. Okay, so it works pretty nice. You also may want this to work when your phone is like turned off or display off, and that solution is that you will basically need to set smart lock or something like that. It's called in settings smart unlock, probably. Actually, I'm just gonna go this webcam again. This is my Samsung, yeah, and I'm just gonna click the lock screen and AOD, and extend unlock. It's called extend unlock right now. After you open this extend unlock, you will need to enable it. It basically works for on-body detection, trusted places. Now you may ask, why do I need to enable this? Well, it's pretty simple, because if you have enabled this, then you can use this action with auto input, and this auto input tag action is called, let me show you, unlock screen. Auto input will be able to unlock your screen if you enable this extend unlock. So you will just put this action in the beginning, and when your phone is off and this task is triggered by some profile, for example, it opens and it sends a message, it backs out of the app, and then your phone is just gonna fall asleep again in a few minutes. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Once again, guys, if you if you want your automation to be built by me, I can build the automation for you on MationX.com. I build server solutions and on-device solutions, and I'm also working on a big project with AI. You can also read about that on my website. So if you're interested about that, just take a look on my website. This is the URL. And have a nice day, guys, honestly.